Hey, this is Zach from Parspec, and today I'm going to share with you how Parspec integrates with other common project management quoting platforms that a lot of the industry uses. So I'm going to create a new submittal here, and I'm going to upload a variety of file formats so you can get a sense of how our system works with the variety of other software platforms that are in the marketplace today. So the first thing that I'll upload is a pretty simple Oasis quote in Excel format. So if your company is using Oasis for quoting and project management, you can easily upload an Excel export from Oasis, and we will tell you, hey, we can upload that file, we recognize it, and then you can go ahead and confirm, and we'll lay that out into an organized table here. Secondly, you can even upload more file types. So secondly, I'll upload an Oasis quote in PDF format. So if you don't have the Excel file and all you have is a PDF of a product list or the Oasis quote, you can simply click Select Schedule, draw a box around the type, manufacturer, and catalog numbers at a minimum, click Confirm Selections, and our system will automatically parse that information. It'll transcribe that information into an organized table, and it'll also identify the columns type, manufacturer, and catalog number. So that appears to be correct. I'll confirm that, and those will be appended to the existing list that I just imported. Now I've got even more products here. Now I'm going to show you just a few more examples. We'll go ahead and we'll import an Agile XML file. So for those of you that represent Acuity brands and you use Agile for quoting for submittals, you can easily upload an XML file, which looks somewhat like this. If you click Confirm Selections, we actually recognize that file and we lay out all of the model numbers here. So again, this has been appended to the bottom of the list. I'm going to show you a couple more file formats so we can actually upload an Epicor quote. So if you're a distributor and you're using Epicor for quoting for order management, you can easily upload that file. And again, similar concept here, you'd make a selection of the types, the model numbers, the manufacturer, whatever information is listed there, and we can parse that out. In some cases, you might need to map the columns correctly or edit some of the information, and I can easily do that. And then I'll just go ahead and confirm that, and that'll again be appended to the bottom of the list. You'll see the RAB products I just added here at the bottom. And then lastly, I'll go ahead and import a few additional. So if you're a rep agency or a distributor and you use Cahill as a project management or quoting system, you can upload a file from that. Ideally, an Excel file is best, but if you have a PDF version with the type, manufacturer, model number, you can make your selection using our Select Schedule tool. And again, we will transcribe that information from that PDF file into an organized list in a matter of moments. And we identified the type, manufacturer, model number correctly. I'll go ahead and confirm that. And we'll have our full product list now. Now, you wouldn't typically have this many products or file formats, but I wanted to show you how we can integrate with the variety of common project management or quoting platforms. Now we have 148 products in this list. The next step here would be to build my submittal that I'd be sending off to my subcontractor, electrical lighting contractor, or up to the specifiers for review. But I can go ahead and click into the very first row, and that's when Parspec automatically locates the most up-to-date data sheets. And once you go through and you verify your data sheets, you complete your markup, and you compile your submittal, you would have a formal submittal document that is hosted in the cloud and can be shared with your clients by downloading the file here or just sharing a link. And if you need to make any changes or updates over time, you can do that. You can add personal branding preferences. You have a table of contents. You have a header and footer with all the relevant information there. And this is really a way for your team to save a tremendous amount of time on the submittal process and scale with your customers in your market. Thanks for watching and look forward to speaking with you.